Assalamu alaikum. I am Naimal Hassan. I completed my diploma in mechanical technology. Now I am working as a mechanical supervisor inside Power Group. Now I am telling some activities of South Korea and Bangladesh. On 12 May 1972, South Korea gave acceptance Bangladesh as an independent country. On 18 December 1973, Bangladesh and the Republic of Korea enjoyed friendly relations by the establishment of their diplomatic relationship. Since then, now it's 48 years of our relationship. On 2010, Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina visited Seoul, South Korea for 3 days. South Korean President Lee Myung-bak welcomes Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. On Saturday, 13 July 2019, Foreign Minister A.K. Abdul Momen received South Korean Prime Minister Lee Nak-yeon at Hojur Shah Jalal International Airport. Bangladesh President welcomes Korean Prime Minister on Bangabhavan. On 14 July 2019, South Korean Prime Minister Lee Nak-yeon holds a meeting with Bangladeshi counterpart Sheikh Hasina in Dhaka. On 14 July 2019, South Korean Prime Minister Lee Nak-yeon assured Bangladesh of considering duty-free market in Korea. On 14 July 2019, Dhaka and Seoul signed 3 instruments by Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina and South Korean Lee Nak-yeon. On Monday, 15 July 2019, South Korean Prime Minister Lee Nak-yeon pays tribute to the father of nation Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. In a meeting between Korean President Moon Jae-in and Bangladeshi Ambassador Abida Islam said, "Korea is our very good friend and development partner for a long time." The Embassy of Bangladesh is in Korea honored outstanding Bangladesh workers. On 12 October to 16 October 2018, a 5-day film festival titled Dhaka Korean Film Festival 2018 had held in the city. South Korean ambassador in Dhaka, Ho Kang-il, has said that his country is now turning its attention to the development of Bangladesh's ICT sector. On 12 August 2020, newly appointed South Korean Ambassador Lee Jang-gyun presenting his credentials to President Abdul Hamid. Republic of Korea provides $7 lakh to Mr. Azmatullah, representative of IFRC Bangladesh. The Republic of Korea has been contributing $4 to $5 million annually to the international organizations based in Bangladesh. On 4 February, Ambassador Lee Jang-gyun visited the Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman Memorial Museum. On 28 January, Mr. Ryu Yong-oh, President of the Korean Association in Bangladesh, in the presence of Ambassador Lee Jang-gyun, visited Suchona Foundation and delivered a donation of 10 lakh taka. Here is a list of Korea's investment in Bangladesh. A South Korean consortium has owned the exclusive rights to proceed with a $963 million infrastructure projects in Bangladesh. KEPZ is the largest and first private EPZ in Bangladesh. The government proposed South Korea to finance the project of a 32-kilometer long subway in Bangladesh. The construction unit of Samsung Construction and Trading Corporation has owned the project of building Terminal 3 of Dhaka Airport. Yamuna Bridge made by Hyundai Construction and Engineering in 1998. The embassy congratulates on the 50th Bangladeshi independence. South Korea has given Bangladesh test kits worth $800K. Bangladesh Korea Technical Training Center is located in Mirpur, Dhaka. It was founded in 1942 as a training center for veterans of World War II. Bangladesh Korea Friendship Hospital was built by Koicha in 1998. On 23rd to 29th November, the Korean Vision Care Eye Camp team visited at Bangladesh Korea Friendship Hospital. Approximately 1,000 students studying in Korea with different scholarship from this GKS is so much prestigious. Bangladesh has been sending its skilled workers to South Korea under the EPS system since 2008. The concern of Fair Group signed a contract with Bangladesh High-Tech Park Authority to establish a plant on 6 acres of land. Thank you. Long live Bangladesh Korea Friendship.